The 2025 BYD E5 compact sedan emerges as a bold contender in the ever-evolving electric vehicle landscape. Aimed at the eco-conscious urban commuter who values practicality without sacrificing comfort or performance, the E5 has been thoughtfully engineered to meet the demands of modern driving. With its clean electric powertrain, refined design language, and a host of intelligent features, the BYD E5 stands as a shining example of how electric vehicles can seamlessly blend form, function, and futuristic tech into an affordable and accessible package. Built by one of China's leading EV manufacturers, this latest version of the E5 represents BYD's continued push to bring efficient electric mobility to the global stage, combining local market insight with world-class innovation. The performance of the 2025 BYD E5 is tuned to match the expectations of drivers who seek responsive handling and smooth acceleration. Powered by a single electric motor, the E5 delivers a balanced combination of agility and reliability. The electric motor generates a satisfying amount of torque from a standstill, making urban navigation swift and effortless. Whether maneuvering through tight city streets or cruising comfortably on highways, the BYD E5 maintains a confident stance with its well-calibrated suspension and precise steering feedback. Acceleration feels brisk for its class, and the sedan's regenerative braking system adds an extra layer of energy efficiency while enhancing control. BYD has focused on offering a ride quality that is not only quiet but also composed, minimizing road vibrations and external noise to ensure a relaxed driving experience. On the outside, the 2025 E5 receives a thoughtful aesthetic update that makes it more appealing than ever. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines and sculpted body contours reflect a modern design philosophy grounded in simplicity and sophistication. The front fascia is highlighted by a refined grille pattern flanked by sharp LED headlights that add a touch of assertiveness to its presence. Flowing side panels and a slightly coupe-like silhouette contribute to the E5's dynamic appearance, while its understated rear design with clean LED tail lamps keeps the overall look balanced and elegant. The BYD E5's exterior doesn't try to be loud or extravagant. Instead, it projects confidence through a subtle blend of grace and functionality, making it equally at home in business districts or residential neighborhoods. Step inside the cabin and the BYD E5 greets you with an interior that prioritizes comfort, simplicity, and tech-forward convenience. The layout is clean and uncluttered, with premium materials used thoughtfully across touchpoints. A digital instrument cluster and a large floating infotainment screen take center stage, offering intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Voice control, smartphone connectivity, and an intelligent climate control system elevate the user experience, making every journey more connected and comfortable. Generous legroom and supportive seats for both front and rear passengers make the E5 an excellent choice for small families or professionals on the go. Storage is ample for a compact sedan, and BYD has clearly taken care to maximize both practicality and style within a modest footprint. In terms of fuel efficiency, or more accurately, electric range, the 2025 BYD E5 continues to impress. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium iron phosphate battery, it delivers a solid driving range on a single charge, suitable for both daily commutes and occasional longer journeys. Charging times are competitive, with fast charging capabilities that can replenish the battery significantly in under an hour. For urban dwellers or fleet operators looking to cut fuel costs and reduce emissions, the E5 offers a compelling alternative to traditional internal combustion vehicles. Its electric powertrain not only contributes to a cleaner environment but also results in lower operating costs, a key selling point in the current climate-conscious market. With the 2025 BYD E5, drivers don't have to choose between sustainability, practicality, and modern style. They get it all in one well-rounded package. Whether you're making the switch to electric for the first time or expanding an eco-friendly fleet, the E5 is ready to deliver a smooth and intelligent driving experience. Book yours now and step confidently into the electric future.